Diablo fans! Welcome na naman sa isang vlog. And I decided to show one of my recorded games, Diablo 3. Diablo 3 is one of my favorite games. And the reason I decided to show this, by November, hopefully God willing, I'll be able to buy PS5 para malaro natin yung Diablo 4. So, this is sort of like a farewell sa Diablo 3 because I miss the game so much. I have not played this game for approximately 3 years kasi wala akong internet connection. I always play Diablo 3 with PlayStation Plus subscription. And hindi ko siya na-enjoy kapag wala akong subscription. So let's discuss kung ano yung mga active skills sa mga passive skills at items na ginamit ko rito. Primarily, ang ginamit ko rito is Spectral Blade, which is barrier things. The reason I chose this kind of skill set is napakatanggi ng wizard, napakakaya ng supply skills niya, and napakataas ng damage. Most of the time kasi kapag wizard lang po medyo mahina yung survival ability. And mostly, nagkakite ka lang. So, tira tapos sa takas lang. And you fight on a certain distance. But this time, nagkaroon ng option ng wizard na lumaban. And kahit naka-station lang siya, mataas yung defense niya. At the same time, napaka-reasonable yung damage. So, bread and butter natin dito is yung Arcane Orb, which is yung Arcane Orbit. And the second one is yung Explosive Blast, Chain Reaction. Kinumbine natin siya sa slow time, exhaustion. So, tuwing naka-station ka lang, mataas yung defense mo. And then, para at least hindi ka madamage masyado ng ma-attack sa'yo, I've used yung Ice Armor Crystallize. Primarily, I got this idea sa... namatay ako dito. I think I died once. I got this idea sa ladder ng Diablo. What I normally do before is I check yung mga stats and mga skill set yung mga nasa top ladders. And at that time, ang pinakamataas pa lang na naabot ng mga active players is Greater Myth 85. As you can see, I think I have 57 pa lang dito. So I'm looking for other options at the time, and then ito yung napili kong skill set. Sa passive skills, I've chosen the Arcane Dynamo, saka yung Illusionist, and then yung Audacity and stable at the moment. Yung items ko naman, ang gamit ko dito is yung, if I'm not mistaken, Dilzir ata? Yeah, it's Dilzir. And also, you'll see, nakikita nyo yung Triumvirate. I believe nasa kanay ko siya. And then, Pila Kiras for the armor. And I've also used yung Prevention of Elements. So, these use combinations para ma-amplify yung damage mo. Kanina nag-pause ako kasi chinecheck ko yung Legendary Gear sa Amulet saka sa Rainfall. Ang primarily hinahanap ko is yung Esoteric Adoration. And the purpose na is kailangan siya pag tuwing naka-station ka lang, naka-post ka lang sa isang area, na-amplify yung damage mo. And then I've also used legendary din sa rings such as yung Bane of the Trap, saka yung Bane of the Stranger. Pasensya na kayo sa video quality kasi at that time, nangungupahan ako sa isang doon. Connection na namin ko is 10 Mbps. Dun sa door, we are at least 20 occupants. So, each time na gumagamit ako before, mababa yung connection. Maswerte na pag naka-5 Mbps ako, pero kadalasan 20 Mbps. And at that time, ang ginawa ng PlayStation is you have the option to upload your game directly sa social media. Somehow, I think they disabled it. Hindi na natin sa pwede. I think the only outlet we have at this time is stream na lang. I was able to save a couple of games and hopefully I'll be able to edit some of them may share using. But by December siguro, by January, makabalik kami siya ng Diablo 4. May mga feedbacks about the game and some are not really possible. Pero I always enjoy this game kasi this is how I started my online gaming career. Isa pa sa mga games na bumikit sa akin. But let's observe more yung playing side ko. As you can see, dive ako ng dive dito sa loob. Kasi malakas yung loob ko na pumasok sa isang area na maraming halaman. Palibasa kasi, nagagamit ko yung explosiveness sa arcade board as an armor. And then kapag naiipit na ako, pinapunch ko lang yung crystal armor, which is nakakapag-stand siya. Kung napapansin nyo, blink lang ng blink yung R2 tsaka yung triangle. Kasi yung bread and butter. So, each time na pinapunch ko lang yung spectral tray, pag mauubos na yung resources ko, once na bumalik siya, paulit-ulit ko lang siya may papunch, tuloy-tuloy lang yung damage. So, napaka-consistent. And I find this very reliable. And as you can see, in 8 minutes, mag-81% na. So, it's napaka-viable na gamitin. And then, hindi mo kailangan tumakas ng madalas. Kahit may teleport ako, napakataas ng survivability. Kadalasan kasi pag wizard, mostly pinakaid ko lang. Just I fight from a distance. And masyadong matagal lang tapusin yung laro. And I really much prefer this way kasi it's easier na when it comes to control-wise and playing the game. Ito, may ginawa akong discard. Kasi yun si may pilot and there's 8% left. Ang ginawa ko is hindi ko muna siya. The purpose of that is I think if I'm not mistaken, yung pylons, I think they would normally last for about 60 or 90 seconds if I'm not mistaken. The reason kaya hindi ko muna siya kinakapag. So there's 2% left. I used that time para pag lumabas yung Rift Guard, I would have enough damage para to bring it down. You know? So at least may pilot power. And as you can see, nakakapag-provide ako ng substantial damage dun sa Rift Guard. It only took me a couple of seconds to bring it down yung HP ng Guardians for approximately around 30 or possibly mga 25% na lang. So ang ginawa ko lang, nag-regen lang ako. And there. Just waited for my chance. Nag-subside na yung power na well, I hope na gusto ko lang i-share to and hopefully I'll be able to provide you guys more videos hopefully sa Diablo. Thank you for watching.